For hands of gold are always cold, but a woman's hands are warm. For hands of gold are always cold, but a woman's hands are warm.
Be still and know that I am God. This is one Bible verse which gives me hope and courage. In the midst of the storm, in the midst of the problem, in the midst of the circumstances, be still and know that I am God. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore, we will not fear. Though the earth be removed, though the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea, though the waters roar, therefore roar and be troubled, though the mountains shake with the swelling thereof, there is a river, the streams whereof shall make glad the city of God, the holy place of the tabernacles of the Most High. God is in the midst of her, she shall not be moved. God shall help her, and that right early. God is in the midst of her, she shall not be moved. God shall help her, and that right early. The heathen raged, the kingdoms were moved. He uttered his voice, the earth melted. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our refuge. Come, behold the works of the Lord, what desolations he hath made in the earth. He maketh walls to cease unto the end of the earth. He breaketh the bow and cutteth the spear in sunder. He burneth the chariots in the fire. And then he said, be still and know that I am God. No matter what the problem may be, no matter what may come up, in the midst of the problems, in the midst of the situation, in the midst of the storm in your marriage, the storm in your finances, the storm in your health, the storm in your business, the storm in raising up your child, he said, be still and know that I am God. I am self-existent. I am all-powerful. I am the Elohim. I am the mighty God. I am the I am that I am. I am the everlasting God. Be still. Be calm. Do not waver. Do not quiver. Do not move backward. Just be still and know that I am God. Do you really know who your God is? Do you really know what he is capable of doing? The psalmist said, though the earth be removed and though the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea, we shall not fear, we shall not skiver, we shall not be moved. Though the waters and be troubled, though the mountains shake with the swelling, we shall not fear. Fear paralyzes abilities. Fear kills destinies. Fear tells people it is the end for you. Fear tells people that you can't move forward. Fear brings the all-powerful married people into small babies running away from worms. In order to achieve your destiny, in order to accomplish your heart desires, in order to achieve your goals and objectives, he is saying to you today, be still and know that I am God. God wants you to know that he can fix it. He can fix it. He can fix the situation. He can fix the circumstances. He can fix the problem. He can do it, and he shall do it for you. He wants you to know and trust and behave with the thought that he shall make it for you. He said, be still. Just be still. Do not be scattered in your mind. Be still. Just be calm and recognize his divinity. Know that he is your refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. So, though the earth be removed, though the mountains shake and be carried into the sea, though the problems became so much, though everything seems scattered around you, though your whole life seem to be in total chaos, though the world seems to be against you, though things seem as if it is the end, yet shall we not fear. We shall be still and know and recognize and unshakably stand on the fact that He is God, our very present help in trouble, our Creator, our Father. Be still and know that I am God. Know that He is God. Know that He can bring it to pass. Know that He shall surely make it for you. Be still, be still, be still. Today, do not fear anymore. Do not give up. Just remove all problems from your mind. Just know that He is God. He is the solution. He shall surely bring the things to come to pass in your life.